What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning, here with another video. I want to talk about taking that first step. To make a change in your life. If you don't ever get up off the couch and do something different, things are just going to stay the same. You know the definition of insanity is keep doing the same thing over and over and over again and expecting the same results. I know if you're watching this video, you're either watching my channel in particular to learn carpet cleaning, or just to get inspired. Most importantly, I make this channel for inspiring people to actually do something in their life, to go for it, to give them the courage and confidence, and let them know if I can do it, you can do it. I mean, my whole channel started with me showing the progress of me deciding to start my own business. I made my first video, and then I decided, you know what, I'm just going to document each step. So if you go back in the beginning, from all the way in the beginning to my first few videos, you're going to start seeing me documenting what I did. What I did to make that, keep taking them steps forward. I was working in a machine shop. All day when I was working in the machine shop. Thank God for YouTube. I mean, I don't like social media. I actually despise it, really. The whole Facebook thing, Instagram, I don't do none of that. It's too much negative. It brings me down, gives me this feeling in my stomach. I do have it, but rarely check on it, like Facebook, for family and friends. You know what? Family and friends can give you a call, do a video chat if they really want to talk to you. But seeing what everybody's thinking about on a daily basis, our minds are a trip. Social media isn't you, but YouTube is. I mean, if you think about it, you're watching TV pretty much. If you want to learn, get on there and learn. You can filter out what you want to listen to or what you want to see. So I chose to see videos such as Truman Steamers. I decided I want to get into the carpet cleaning business, so I started watching his videos, and really, watching his videos inspired me in a way, because he wasn't not only doing carpet cleaning, he was also telling me what he was using, telling us how to do the job. I know me and a lot of people out there, really thankful for him. But what I'm doing is just paying it forward. So what's a little different about me is actually when I started my carpet cleaning business, it was when I was working full-time as a machinist. Granted, I do have a lot of years of carpet cleaning experience when I was younger, but I never decided to go forth with it because I never thought I had the money. Really, because I always thought I had to get the truck mount, to compete with the big boys. So what I started doing is, every step I made, I'd video it. When I started using House Call Pro, when I started just working on my websites, talking about when I figured out all you gotta do is do 1 or 2 jobs a week and give yourself a $10 raise. As a side hustle, and then eventually it turned into a full-time deal. So my motivation in this video, in this channel, Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning, is to motivate people to go forward and show them it is simple. If I can do it, you can do it. Just take steps. Don't look all the way to the end. Make that first step, take the second step, keep forward. Now, if that's what you want to do, carpet cleaning, then you should be watching my videos, or people like me. There's a lot of people out there that are doing videos and kind of showing their process and solutions and all that stuff. But as far as the whole business aspect of it, that's why I kind of differentiate myself which, beyond other people, because I'm actually going into building your own website. You know, I'm talking about just different things to get your foundation to become successful in this business, and tips that I've learned from other people and passing them on. Live, learn, pass it on. So what I like to live by. And so basically, if you want to be inspired, if you want to be taught actually the details of carpet cleaning instead of just a rough, yeah, you can use steam cleaner, steam clean the room, charge $40 an hour, $40 a room, you know. No, let's talk about details, you know, what solutions you use, dwell times, you know, safe products and you know, material to be working on. So, all right. So that's all I wanted to say. I'm gonna wrap this one up. I got to go to my first job and knock this little RV out. So I'm gonna be cleaning an RV today. Small area, $100 minimum. Probably take me half hour, 45 minutes from what she says. But we'll see when we get there. You never know. All right, stay tuned.